Hello and welcome everyone. I am Dipali Khetrapal, an NLP practitioner. I am here to discuss with you certain core values which may seem small but play an important role in achieving success in life. Do hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss upcoming episodes. So, we will be discussing the meaning of these values through various examples and stories and how we can imbibe these values and make them a part of our life. Let me tell you a story. A man named Tony comes up to the Mexican border on his bicycle. He's got two large bags over his shoulders. Joe, the border guard, stops him and says, "What's in the bags?" "Sand," answers Tony. Joe says, "We'll just see about that. Get off the bike." Joe takes the bags and rips them apart. He empties them out and finds nothing in them but sand. He detains Tony overnight and has the sand analyzed, only to discover that there's nothing but pure sand in the bags. Joe releases Tony, puts the sand into new bags, hefts them onto the man's shoulders, and lets him cross the border. The next day, the same thing happens. Joe asks, "What have you got?" "Sand," says Tony. Joe does his thorough examination and discovers that the bags contained nothing but sand. He gives the sand back to Tony and Tony crosses the border on his bicycle. This sequence of events is repeated every day for 3 years. Then Joe runs across Tony one day in a restaurant in Mexico. "Hey buddy," says Joe, "I know you are smuggling something. It's driving me crazy. It's all I think about. I can't sleep. Just between you and me, what are you smuggling?" Tony sips his drink and says, "Bicycles." Now Joe was focused on sand the whole time. He was checking sand time and again because his mind was stuck on the fact that Tony was smuggling something in the sand. What could Joe have done differently? Had he been a little flexible in his thinking, he would have used his common sense and caught up with what Tony was up to himself. When we think of flexibility, most people probably imagine stretching or yoga instead of our thoughts. But what if we could cultivate a flexible mindset to promote good health in our mental and emotional well-being? Yes, we are talking about mental flexibility. Our mind is like a muscle. The more ways that we stretch it, the more flexible it becomes. With practice and awareness, we can begin to develop a more agile mind, which helps us to live more resilient, creative, and fulfilled lives. Flexibility is a personality trait that describes the extent to which a person can cope with changes in circumstances and think about problems and tasks in a novel and creative way. Flexibility is also referred to being able to adapt to situational demands, balance life demands, and commit to behaviors. Being flexible in the face of change can be difficult. One of the reasons we aren't always as flexible as we could be is that we like the plans we have already made and don't want to change them. We become committed and focused on them. Change may mean that we'll have to do more work than what we had planned, get retrained, lose relationships, have to develop new relationships, lose status, or get fewer or less attractive rewards. But what's interesting is that we often dislike changes even when it is causing us to lose more than we'll gain. We want to be consistent. We want to be known as someone who sticks to commitments. When you tell someone that you will be doing something, you want to be believed that you will follow through and do it. You will be trusted and respected more if you stick to your commitments. So it is not just that you like your current plans for their own sake, you also resist change because you want to be seen as consistent. This kind of commitment can cause you to continue a course of action despite objective evidence that change is justified. You are risk averse and fear the unknown. Have you ever known kids who have to sleep with lights on in their bedroom at night because they're afraid of monsters under the bed? There aren't any monsters, but with the light off, the kids can't verify that. They fear the unknown. Adults are also bothered by uncertainty and risk. Uncertainty often accompanies change. We can't always know whether a change will result in a gain or loss for us. Let's discuss a few benefits of flexible thinking. Developing a flexible mindset allows us to evaluate and adjust to the different tasks, roles, and responsibilities we are presented with each day with less stress. Mental flexibility is related to our perceptions, emotions, actions, and even our deep motivations. A change in environment, attitude, or behavior will also influence the way we think. Feeling optimistic or happy creates more broad and inclusive thinking. On the contrary, fear narrows our focus. When we are able to make a mental shift without remaining stuck in a particular mindset, we are practicing mental flexibility. A flexible mindset moves us away from limiting thought patterns to more openness and possibilities. Here are a few characteristics of flexible people. The key to being a flexible person is to find a balance with all elements of daily life. When a person is flexible mentally, he cannot be stressed out easily. A flexible personality will allow a person to improvise and find a solution even when others are complaining of lack. If a person displays flexibility, it indicates that he is in good mental health and can be trusted because he is versatile and adjustable when it is necessary. The biggest plus point of being flexible is that a person can live a fulfilling and meaningful life no matter what the situation and place he finds himself in. A person who is flexible with life understands that nothing is certain and changes are constant with life and with people. Let's discuss some traits of flexible persons. A flexible person is a problem solver and a better leader. He is able to understand the people around him easily. A flexible person will have a lot of common sense, can-do spirit, and show presence of mind. A flexible person is magnetic and attracts others to himself. He always displays a positive attitude and is always cheerful. A flexible person is easygoing and comfortable. They can relate easily with people. They desire to stay updated. They need to constantly improve themselves so as to adapt to any given situation. So, how to be more flexible? While some people naturally have mental flexibility, we all have the ability to become better with intention and practice. Here are some brain exercises to further improve your flexibility. Change your scenery. Go for a walk around the block. Take a coffee break. Take a vacation. Switch up your environment and you will feel your mind shift. Stretch yourself regularly. Try something different. Learn to play an instrument or dance, cook a new recipe, or even pick up a new language. Change is easier to handle when you are not surprised by it. With a good understanding of which trends are likely to affect you, you innovate or develop new skills in a way that puts you ahead of the curve. Overcome irrational fears. We are probably all guilty of having fear of the unknown to a certain degree. One of the best ways to overcome irrational fears is through self-talk. Self-talk helps to change the beliefs and thereby manage your emotional reactions to the events. Question your thoughts and words. Become more aware of what you are saying and thinking. Listen to your words. Instead of being attached to your current way of thinking, try a different perspective. Substitute negative or rigid thoughts and words that don't serve you with more positive ideas and phrases. Be spontaneous. Change up your routine. Drive a different way to work. Take a new fitness class. Or once in a while, change the order of your day. Getting out of the rut can be very mind expanding. Make some changes even before you have to in order to challenge yourself. A person who keeps challenging himself is going to find strategies for coping with changes easily. Mix up the way you think. Going back and forth between a focused or detailed task and then something less focused can lead to more creative and innovative ideas. Set new goals. Goal setting is an effective way to deal with change and uncertainty. Goal setting helps us to get focused and be productive. By setting and achieving short-term goals, we can build our self-confidence by developing a sense of accomplishment and progress. Now, these tips will not only help your brain to grow in agility and flexibility, but they should also leave you feeling more resilient, creative, and much more confident about accomplishing your personal goals. Flexibility does not mean that a person is unbreakable, because everyone has their own breaking point. What makes a flexible person different is that they are able to survive by preventing situations that can break them. Flexibility is a strength in your ability to adjust to any given change in life. It is not impossible and is never too late to develop a flexible personality, especially when it can help in your personal growth and your ability to survive. This is your friend Dipali Khetrapal signing off. Stay tuned, keep smiling, God bless.